A road-legal SUV with a flight mode sounds like a video game cheat, but the 2027 Land Rover Defender Dakar is very real. Revealed as a design preview at the Quail during Monterey Car Week, this limited-run special turns the rally-winning Defender D7X into a street-legal hammer aimed at hardcore off-road fans. The reveal shows where the Defender Dakar sits next to the already wild Defender Octa and the competition spec D7X. If you are eyeing one, it helps to know what hardware is truly Dakar-derived, how usable it should be on real roads, and when order books actually open. The 2027 Land Rover Defender Dakar is a limited production, road-legal evolution of the Defender D7X that took a class win at the 2026 Dakar Rally. It is not a body kit on a regular Defender. Land Rover presents it as the new performance flagship above the Octa, with hardware and drive modes directly tied to the rally truck. Under the hood sits a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8, shared in broad terms with the Defender Octa but restricted from race regulations and tuned here to 626 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. That output edges past the D7X itself, underscoring how this tribute model actually outguns the race winner while remaining street-legal. If you want the full competition backstory, the original Defender D7X Dakar racer shows how far Land Rover has pushed the platform in the desert. Inside, the Defender Dakar's 2+2 layout with race-style bucket seats and proper interior trim makes it a more focused take on the Defender Octa performance SUV without going to a bare shell. The suspension is where the Defender Dakar really parts ways with other showroom Defenders. Instead of air springs, it rides on coil springs with motorsport-grade Bilstein dampers tuned for high-speed off-road hits. Massive 35-inch all-terrain tires sit on forged 20-inch wheels, and the rear spare moves into the cargo area alongside an integrated air compressor so you can fine-tune pressures between trail and tarmac. Drive modes borrow directly from the rally truck, with new dunes and gravel settings plus a so-called flight mode that manages compression and rebound for big jumps. Roof-mounted light pods, a carbon fiber hood and raised air intakes give it the desert racer stance, while the cabin's 2+2 layout, deeply bolstered bucket seats and optional 4-point harnesses make clear this thing was born from competition, not a styling studio. Paint options include colors like Dakar sand and Yanbu turquoise that tie it visually to the rally effort. Land Rover is currently collecting registrations of interest only, with full technical specifications, production numbers and pricing due to be revealed at the 2027 Dakar Rally in Saudi Arabia in January, before formal reservations open in early 2027. Expect availability to be tight, similar to other factory specials and high-spec V8 Defender builds, so if you are serious, you will need to move quickly once order books open.